Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping activities that mask the issue. Close browsers, streaming apps, VPN. Then power cycle your modem and router. Unplug for 30 to 60 seconds, so DHCP leases reset and routing tables clear. While devices restart, inspect Ethernet and Wi-Fi adapters on your PC. Make sure cables are snug and the adapter is enabled. Once done, reconnect via Ethernet first, because wired removes wireless variables, and that isolates whether the problem is local or upstream. Next, you perform targeted OS network repairs to eliminate corrupted caches and socket layers. Open an elevated command, prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons to remove stale DNS entries, then ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew to force a fresh lease from DHCP. After that, reset WinSock and TCP/IP stacks with netch WinSock reset and netch int IP reset to repair malformed sockets and routing. Make sure to reboot the computer after these commands so changes fully apply and services restart cleanly. To finish, reboot both your router/modem and your computer together to ensure synchronized network state, then test using a wired Ethernet connection and launch your browser. Disable any proxy or VPN, clear the browser's internal DNS cache, and confirm connectivity. If you still see the network change detected message, reinstall or roll back the network driver. Drivers often introduce instability. One tip: if intermittent drops persist, swap to a different DNS like 1.1.1.1 to rule out ISP DNS issues before hardware replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.